So although we're in a listed building and a lot of this is going to obviously be restored, the developers have had a real clear vision to make sure that modern living is still achieved. So we'll have high energy efficiency as well as top of the range appliances, flooring, kitchens and bathrooms. So what makes Blue Bird so special is that it once was a place of community that brought people together, and it will once again do that through a collection of 13 beautiful homes. We're seeing a lot of interest from both elder clients, downsizers, through to young professionals that want to be on the edge of the city, but also have the local National Trust on your doorstep. So if you are interested, then please do get in touch with one of the team.